PlagiarismCheck.org has been inspired by educators who seek better solutions for similarity detection software. Ever since 2011, we have been working on an algorithm that would help teachers who strive for academic honesty. Whether you are looking for web-based software or an integration with a learning management system, Plagiarism Check is there for you. No installation required, intuitive interface, ready to be instantly used. To start with, it offers several levels of access, as an owner, as a teacher, or as a student. An owner acts as an administrator and is able to manage his or her academic account. You as a teacher can create an assignment, add members to it, and review the results of the checks from students. Our state-of-the-art algorithm has been developed by the best minds to ensure the authenticity of submitted assignments. It detects exact word matches, word rearrangements, word substitutions, and hidden symbols, as well as changes from active to passive voice, poor paraphrasing, and synonymization. It takes only a few moments for us to search through the web and to complete the report. The report will give detailed information on what parts have been plagiarized with links to original sources. With our sophisticated algorithm, we minimize false positive results, thus provide more accurate outcome. The report also gives an opportunity to improve writing skills by distinguishing plagiarism in quotes and references and displaying them in separate sections. PlagiarismCheck.org keeps a history of your checks in your personal secure account, which you can access at any convenient moment from your laptop or mobile device. Our goal is to introduce a solution that will be trusted by both teachers and students. Students should be assured that PlagiarismCheck.org is there to enhance the quality of education and should feel safe submitting their work, while teachers will have a powerful and time-saving tool at hand to guide students and promote academic honesty. With PlagiarismCheck.org, we advocate for higher quality education and automation of assessment processes by providing a sophisticated and technologically advanced algorithm which is easy to use.